can see, in today's video, we are going to be getting Kuromi all set up and ready for the body shop. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to have to do to the car is we're going to have to raise the suspension. I did already put the old wheels back on it. Here's what the wheels I had on it before. We will have another video on the wheels that were on it before, and I'm going to be doing a big transformation on them, so that's going to be a video coming up. We are going to be taking the old wheels off. We're going to be then raising the suspension, the coilovers. We got to raise them up for the body shop, and then obviously take all my stuff out of the car. And I think the last thing that needs to get done is the muffler's got to come off, because obviously we can't give him the car with the big bazooka exhaust on it, because then it's going to be very difficult to paint around. He's going to have to tape it off and everything. So we're just going to take it off from the start and just drive it out there like that. So we're going to head into that. As you can see, we've got the wheels. Not the wheels, we got the car on 2 jack stands. We're going to take the front wheels off, the back wheels off, and then raise the suspension up.
Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace. I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. I didn't notice it was out of place. You painting fairy tales on the wall. Calling to the better of the halves of me. Please show me just a little bit of honesty. I hope I got a heart that I can salvage, but it's getting harder now to recall.
As you can see, we've got the front suspension lifted up. I did go ahead and lift I did attempt in the rear. The rears are stuck right now, so I'm going to get that off camera real fast. It's going to be a little bit of a pain, so I'll just save you guys the trouble. Get that done, and then once I finish the rears, I'm going to put the wheels back on. You guys will see that, and then we'll lower this down and then go to the other side. So as you can see, we have switched to the other side of the car now. We got to raise the car up, put it on jack stands, and then take the wheels off, raise the coilovers like we did on the other side.
Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace. I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. But when I noticed it was far too late, you left a fingerprint.
Now we have got both of the wheels off. Got to raise the front, raise the rear, and then got to take the muffler off after that. Well, obviously got to put the wheels and everything back on, but we're going to re-raise the rear. And then I'm going to clean out the car, and we'll show you, and then we're going to head out to the body shop. As you can see, we've got the rears raised, we got the fronts raised. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the wheels back on, and then I'm gonna jack the rear up, and we're gonna put some jack stands on the rear and take the muffler out.
I gotta feel it, you don't mean it, while you're sad right now. I gotta feel it, there's something about your eyes.
we've got the rear muffler out of the car, got the big exhaust pipe off. We're going to drop the car down now, and then I'm going to clean out the car, and then we're gonna head out to the body shop.
Eyes remain silent. The problems in her head pile up. Again and again she tells me how sick she is. Everything is so hard for her. Why don't you just tell me? Everything could be so simple, but you want to make it difficult for yourself, for yourself, for yourself, for yourself, for yourself. Why don't you just tell me? Everything could be so simple, but you want to make it difficult for yourself, for yourself, for yourself.
Yes?
So you knocking?
I thought it was locked in.
Oh. What are you filming?
For YouTube.
Oh, nice.
Uh-oh. Yo, what up? What's going on? What's happening, buddy?
Nothing much.
Oh. Said,
That's what he has now for it, but it hasn't been ran in 30 years, and if you want anything, John's gonna drop it in the front. Okay. Perfect.
You got them valve covers? I know.
Do what you can. Tight that I'm gonna do. Ay. I guess, dude, what do you expect? Remember when I told you? I said, wait till they come and unwrap them and see how awful they are.
Oh God, the rear bumper.
Dude,
I think
there's
is worse.
hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours in there just to make them smooth. So, like, how smooth do you want to get? Holy snake!
How smooth do we want to get?
No, that's too. I got a little more than that, dude. That's too much. Let me put it in reference for those guys. Build me 2,000 horsepower, but only use nothing. So what I'm saying is that, like, once your car is black, you said, right?
Yep.
So once you paint it black, like, this shit would be highlighted like you wouldn't believe. I mean, like, even just to, like, they're not, you know. I mean, what I think we should do is just hard sand it. I mean, like, if you feel it, you know, it's kind of gonna be wavy, right? I don't think we try to get rid of that. Dude, that would be hours. I mean, what I think we try to get rid of is the deep grooves and pits and, you know what I mean, the marks from the mold or whatever. However the hell they made these.
It's like getting out of a race car.
Oh, that would not be an everyday car for me.
So we just got back from the body shop, as you guys just saw from the couple of clips of us going out there and checking out his shop, and then discussing a couple of things that we need to get done with the car. It will be there for probably 2 to 3 weeks, I would per se. We do have new headlights and taillights coming for the car that we are going to ship out there so that he can perfectly fit them. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys can like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Deuces!
Play tight, shot, no running for a big